You're done? Oh. What number you want again? Number? Huh?
You already
You
said
already
3.
said
The
3.
giant 3.
Except
Oh, the
3
4
and 2.
giant. Oh.
What number you want? Number. You want number?
Number 5.
5.
5.
Oh.
Oh. 5 in your mind.
5
Let's
on.
count until 6, okay? Oh, 5.
1.
Ano man
5
inuhan?
in your
You continue
mind.
counting.
5 on my mind.
Oh, 5. You continue
5.
counting. 5.
5.
What's next to number 5?
What's next on the 5? What's next on the
5.
number 5?
1.
Ay, sus apaw.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
Oh.
Sus apaw ni siya.
5 plus
1
equals.
6.
Oh, you write 5 plus 1. Number?
Awanan.
7.
7. Oh, give me number again. Give me number
4.
4. How many will you add to get 7? 4 in your mind.
4 on my
Oh,
mind.
continue counting. 4.
4. 1.
No. 4.
Continue. You don't know how to continue
Continue.
counting?
4, 5.
4.
Your hands.
5.
No, your hands. 5.
5. 6. 7.
How many will you add on 4 to get 7?
3.
3. 4 plus 7 equals. 4 plus 3 equals.
3. 4. 7.
Apa kita ni dadin? Look at me that tagamin na. Oh, 4 plus 3 equals 7. You're right.
10.
Next. What number you want? Number
2.
2. What will you add to number 2 to make it 7? 2 in your mind.
2 on my
Continue counting.
mind.
2.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
Mano?
5.
Oh. 2 plus 5 equals?
7.
You're right.
Done.
Done? Manupay? Oh, you give me a number except 4 and 2. Give me a number except 4 and 2. What number you want?
I want number.
Na. Except 4 and 2 because you told me already 4 and 2.
Okay.
Number. Oh.
And then
Number. Ana kaya mo number?
I want number 6.
6. Oh.
Make it louder man your voice.
You want number 6? Oh, what number will we add to get 7? What number will you add to number 6 to get 7? 6 on your mind. Continue counting.
6 on my mind. 6.
You count until 7. 6.
6, 7.
Oh. How
7.
many? Oh, 6 plus 1
1.
equals?
7.
That's the band of 7.
Mm, 1.
Oh,
Done.
you rin man the bands of 5. Bands of 5.
5, 2, 3, 4, 1.
No, not like that. 2 plus 3. Apa 1 plus na lakay kita man?
Oh.
I want the road, mommy.
Why didn't you put? You should put 2 plus
Because it's
3.
all like this, the road.
Na?
Because it's all like this, the road, mommy.
Ayun, like that one. You need to add.
You need to add
Yeah.
so that it become 7. I become 5, 6, 7 like that.
Oh. Number 5.
5.
Oh. 2 plus
2 plus
3
3.
equals. Louder, please.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Mm-hmm.
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Mm-hmm.
5 plus 0 equals 5.
How about the bands of 6? Can you read?
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Mm-hmm.
3 plus 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5
Ano na?
plus
3
1
plus 4 plus 2 nga. Ulit man 6, anak. 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6.
Okay.
5 plus 1 equals 6.
How about the bands of 7?
4 plus 2 equals 7.
Mm-hmm.
2 plus 5 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7.
Yay! Magaling!
bagay.
I will tell you when you tell me if tao, bagay, hayop,
Oh, tao, bagay,
Doctor.
hayop, lugar. Tao, bagay, hayop, lugar. Oh, mami
Doctor.
ko yung doktor.
Tao.
Pillow. Unan.
Pilo.
Unan.
Unan.
Lapis.
Bagay.
Eskwelahan.
Pool.
Hayop.
No. Eskwelahan.
Lugar.
Pusa.
Hayop.
Aso ni Sia.
I don't know.
Aso.
Hayop.
Sia.
Tao.
Daddy.
Tao.
Tita K.
Tao.
Damit.
Lamas. Damit. You know damit?
Okay.
Punggos.
Sunggo ka no?
Bagay.
Sunggo?
Tungko.
Oo. Mangke?
He said,
Punggos.
what did you say?
Bingi
Ay,
ni
punggos
Daddy.
ka no?
Dadabot.
Eh, punggos.
Daddy is so crazy.
What is punggos, anak? Is what?
Bagay.
Punggos.
I said bagay.
Okay.
Lamas.
Yes.
Isda.
Lamas. Fish.
Fish.
Da.
Yeah. Isda.
Da.
Anong araw?
Isda.
Kabayo.
Tayo.
Isda. Hayop.
Hayop.
Kabayo.
Hayop.
You know what's kabayo?
I said hayop.
What
Kaya
is
nga,
kabayo in
what is
English?
kabayo?
You know? Kabayo?
Sound.
Makaasa ka
Kabayo is
mag-anak.
a
Ikaw
horse.
mag Hindi mo Pilipino. Kasi kabut anak ko.
I don't know Filipino.
Yeah, you should learn
You must learn.
baboy.
Isungarad nga mapangka di school to make it learn.
Siya, baboy.
Hayop.
Ayok. What is baboy?
Hayop.
Ano harti
English.
baboy? What's the English of baboy?
Wait.
Tutube.
This.
You know tutube?
Anak ko.
Do you know tutube? Dragonfly.
What is
Eh?
dragonfly?
Tuwato.
Tutubo.
Ha?
Hayop.
No, insect.